Ever wondered where your digital bank's money actually comes from? You're tapping, swiping, and managing your finances on your phone, but who's pulling the strings behind that sleek app? Today, we're diving into the often murky world of neobank ownership. Specifically, we're asking the burning question, who really owns these digital financial powerhouses? Let's be honest, the term neobank gets tossed around a lot. It's the cool kid on the block, promising a revolution in how we handle our money. But with all the hype, it's easy to forget that these are businesses, and every business has an owner, or rather, a complex web of owners. Why does it matter? Well, knowing who owns your neobank gives you insight into its financial stability, its long-term vision, and even its potential biases. Is it a startup fueled by venture capital, or a subsidiary of a traditional financial giant? The answer can significantly impact how your money is managed and what kind of services you can expect. The truth is, there's no single answer to who owns neobanks. The landscape is incredibly diverse. Some are independent startups, born from the ambition of tech entrepreneurs and backed by venture capital firms. Think of those early-stage companies that raised millions with the promise of disrupting traditional banking. In these cases, ownership is often spread across numerous investors, from individual angel investors to large venture capital funds. These venture capital firms, they're the real players behind a lot of these disruptive tech companies. They provide the initial funding, the seed money that allows a neobank to build its platform, acquire customers, and scale its operations. Knowing who these VCs are can offer valuable clues. Some specialize in fintech, others in broader technology investments. Their track record and reputation can give you an idea of the neobank's financial health and its potential for growth. Then, you have neobanks that are subsidiaries of established financial institutions. These are often traditional banks or financial conglomerates that have recognized the need to adapt to the digital age. They launch neobanks as a way to attract younger, tech-savvy customers or to test new products and services. In these cases, ownership is more straightforward. The parent company holds the controlling stake, providing the neobank with stability and resources. But it gets even more complicated. Some neobanks operate on a hybrid model, combining aspects of both. They might start as independent startups, but eventually get acquired by a larger financial institution or form strategic partnerships with them. This blurring of lines makes it even more challenging to pinpoint the exact ownership structure. And let's not forget the role of public markets. Some neobanks have gone public, listing their shares on stock exchanges. This means ownership is distributed among a large number of shareholders, including institutional investors, mutual funds, and individual retail investors. This level of transparency offers a degree of accountability, but it also means that the neobank strategy can be influenced by market pressures and shareholder expectations. So, how do you find out who owns your neobank? Start with the About Us section on their website. Look for information about their investors, their parent company, or their board of directors. Check regulatory filings and press releases for any announcements of funding rounds or acquisitions. And don't be afraid to do a bit of digging online. Search for news articles and reports about the neobank's financial background. Understanding the ownership structure of your neobank is more than just a matter of curiosity. It's about understanding the forces that shape your financial experience. It's about knowing who is ultimately responsible for your money. It's about making informed decisions about where you bank. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.